Hey guys, in this video we have look at 15-inch version of Lenovo IdeaPad 300. Besides from slimmer design, the faster processor, SSD drive, HD screen and small price tag are the main selling points of this laptop.
This laptop is a budget option and it would be crazy to expect to get the better build in a $400 and up device. Some things had to be cut, so that's why it is so slim.
In comparison with last year's model, there are some improvements, like processor speed, model name and a little brighter box. But if you look closer, the box and package still look the same. We can commend Lenovo for using design built entirely of the plastic, but metallic finish still looks good. The laptop has the screen lid, which has brushed heavy metal finish to it, and it has shiny Lenovo's logo in the corner. When you open the lid, you can be stunned by a silver deck with epic premium keyboard. The Lenovo IdeaPad has a lot of ports. The left side has a power, Ethernet, HDMI, audio and USB ports. You also have card reader and can lock. More expensive versions have also DVD optical drive on the right side. The buttons and touchpad are quality built, fitting perfectly with the chassis. When you press on it, you can feel plenty of travel and you don't need a satisfying force to register input.
Hi there, I'm Cortana and I'm here to help.
The keyboard buttons aren't stiff or loose, but sadly, you only have caps lock and number pad buttons illuminated. So if you want full backlight keyboard, you will need to buy more expensive S series. The trackpad on the other hand works good, but it is not perfect. If you need more precision, then it's best to connect a mouse. The IdeaPad 330 comes with 3 battery variants. On the battery test, which involves continuously surfing the web over Wi-Fi, the 2-cell battery lasted 2 hours, but it should last up to 4 hours or more when all settings are set in eco mode. This laptop has anti-glare HD display with accurate colors and average contrast. It will be good for everyday office and web use, but if you want more, then go with 1080p IPS screen, which has a lot better viewing angles and colors are also better. You can expect a laptop in this price range to have average audio speakers, but in terms of bass, you still need external speakers. You can customize the sound to your liking with different audio profiles. The IdeaPad 330 will be solid for streaming videos and listening to music while you're surfing.
What is that? That is London.
60 minutes is all it took to bring humanity to the very brink of extinction.
For a budget mainstream laptop, the dual-core CPU, 4 GB of RAM and SSD drive in the IdeaPad performed well. But keep in mind, if you have an 4-year-old i3 processor, you will still need to skip the Celeron. With some tabs open in web browser, one of which was streaming YouTube video and Office in the background, there wasn't lag when scrolling and switching between apps. This model wasn't meant for gaming. Its integrated GPU is good only for light web gaming or older PC games. The Lenovo IdeaPad 330 has a standard display, an elegant metallic design with small built-in battery, making a good value for office and home use, but not so great for work on the move, so make sure that you never forget to put charger in the bag. It provides solid multitasking performance for the price. However, we wish the touchpad offered more precision and IPS screen. But it is still cheaper than some other similar laptops, and it still manages to outperform them in the design department. This laptop is a good buy if you plan it to use for web and office. Otherwise, go with i3 processor. It offers a lot faster and responsive experience. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.